Family members. Jungjo Hunfa Bearings SKF Group Certified Senior Authorized Service Provider. We not only have SKF official direct operated image stores, but also have SKF China's intelligent warehouse and distribution center, original factory authentic products, inventory burst, and fast delivery without delay. Here we take you to SKF Original Factory Direct Supply Tapered Roller Bearings, zero editing and no filter unboxing real shot, unboxing and inspection, high quality can withstand close-up. Friends in need can leave a message in the comment area or send me a private message, and I will send you more detailed product photos.